Welcome back to another episode of Finance for 20s. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 9 high income skills to make money in your 20s. So whether you are just looking for a new skill to learn or looking to go into a new field or just want to enhance your current skill set, these high demand skills can significantly increase your earning potential. Also, I will advise you watch this video to the end so you can understand these 9 high income skills and then pick the ones you want to do. Also, I will mention and explain these 9 high income skills, and at the end of this video, I'll be explaining where and how you can learn the skills, whether you have money or not. And with that being said, let's get into the video. The first one is digital marketing. Now, with businesses increasingly shifting online, digital marketing skills are highly demanded for. And in today's digital age, having expertise in various aspects of digital marketing is crucial, such as knowledge of SEO, that's search engine optimization, you have pay-per-click advertising, you have social media marketing, content creation. All of these are valuable skills in digital marketing. Now, these skills can help you secure high-paying roles and make you an essential asset to any company looking to enhance their online presence. And also, staying updated with the latest trends and tools in digital marketing can further boost your career prospect. And even if you are not looking to get a job with this skill, if you have an online business, learning about digital marketing is really crucial for your business. Now, for example, one of the things that has helped me grow my online business is the fact that I decided to learn about digital marketing. And it really helped me, and I'm sure it's going to help you too. Now, the second high income skill to learn in your 20s is software development. Now, in today's tech-driven world, software development has become one of the most in-demand and essential skills for professionals in different industries. Now, with the rapid advancement of tech and increasing reliance on software solutions, having proficiency in programming languages like Python, Java, C++, and so on is incredibly valuable. Now, learning these languages can open doors to a wide range of lucrative job opportunities for you, from software engineering to data science to AI to web development and so on. And as companies continue to seek talented developers to innovate and maintain their digital infrastructure, the demand for skilled software developers will continue to go up. Now, the second one is UI UX design. Now, this is also a high income skill that one can learn to make money. Now, creating user-friendly interfaces for websites and apps is a highly in-demand skill in today's digital age. Having knowledge in UI UX design does not only enhance the user experience, but can also lead to various lucrative opportunities within the tech industry. Now, moreover, the more people open businesses, the more the need of UI UX design will be in the market. And this makes UI UX design not just a rewarding career path, but also a strategic asset for any organization aiming to stay competitive in the digital world. So this means right now, learning UI UX design is one of the best things to do. It is one of the high in-demand skills that can give you opportunity to a high income job. Now, the next skill to learn is graphic design. Now, with the rise of visual content in the digital age, graphic design skills have become more important than ever for effectively communicating ideas and engaging audiences. Now, proficiency in tools like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator can open up a wide range of opportunities for you, leading to well-paying freelance or even full-time positions in different industries like advertising, marketing, web development, and media production. And these are industries where you can get access to high-income job opportunities. Also, these skills can also enhance one's ability to create visually appealing presentations, social media content, and promotional materials, making graphic design an invaluable asset in today's job market. Now, the next skill to learn is copywriting. Now, good copywriters are always in high demand because they create captivating and engaging content that effectively drives sales and encourages customer engagement. Now, by learning the various writing techniques, one could unlock the potential for a high-income career, as their skills would become invaluable to businesses looking to connect with their audience on a deeper level. Now, this skill does not only help in crafting captivating marketing materials, but also ensures that the message resonates with the target audience, ultimately leading to more successful outcomes. So if you are naturally good with writing captivating messages or content, then this is a perfect skill for you, and it has so many high-income job opportunities. The next skill you can learn is public speaking. Now, a lot of good public speakers are making so much money these days because of this skill, just by being able to communicate effectively. And being able to communicate effectively and present your ideas is a crucial skill that can open doors to high-income opportunities in different fields. Now, this skill is particularly valuable in professions such as sales, where you can persuasively communicate and directly impact the revenue for your company. And even in marketing sector, the ability to communicate messages effectively can drive up the success of your brand and customer engagement. And moreover, strong communication skills are essential in leadership roles where clear and inspiring communication can motivate your team and drive up your organization's success. And that's why you will see today that a lot of CEOs are becoming public speakers. And that's because they already have that strong communication skill that has helped them in their leadership roles. So it's easy for them to be able to control a crowd, and that is why they are becoming public speakers today. So if you're the kind of person who is bold and can communicate effectively, you should try public speaking. The next skill to learn is video production and video editing. Now, with the rise of video content across various platforms, skills in video production and editing have become highly valued and demanded for. Being able to use tools like Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro can open doors to various opportunities, leading to high-paying freelance or even full-time roles. Now, these skills enable individuals to create polished and professional video content, which is essential for marketing, entertainment, and even educational purposes. Now, as the demand for engaging video content continues to grow, so does the need for talented video producers and editors who can bring creative visions to life. Now, the next skill is data analysis. Now, companies are always on the lookout for individuals who can interpret data to make informed business decisions. Now, these professionals play a crucial role in analyzing vast amounts of data to uncover trends and patterns that can influence company strategies. Now, skills in data visualization tools which help present complex data in an understandable format, and statistical analysis which involves applying mathematical techniques to interpret data sets can be really rewarding. Now, by learning these skills, you can significantly contribute to the success and growth of your company or anyone you work for. And if you are good at this, you can get high-income job opportunities. The next skill is crypto trading and forex trading. Now, both crypto trading and forex trading are high-income skills that can be lucrative in today's financial market. Now, crypto trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies, while forex trading focuses on exchanging foreign currencies. Now, I've been a crypto trader for over 5 years now, and it's one of the skills you can learn if you are looking for a high income skill. And if you are looking to learn crypto trading, then you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have so many videos to guide you on how to become a profitable crypto trader. And by the way, you also need to know that both crypto trading and forex trading are highly risky, so you need to focus on learning them very well before putting your hard-earned money. Crypto trading and forex trading are skills that can give you significant returns, but they come with higher risk. So you need knowledge on market trends, technical analysis, and risk management strategies. And both skills demand continuous learning. And while they can lead to high income, it is crucial to remember that they also carry significant risk and require careful strategy and risk management. And if you want to learn the basics of forex trading, I have a video on that. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. Now, before I go into how and where you can learn these 9 high-income skills, please, I need you to know that getting high income from these skills is not a day job. It's a continuous process. So don't think that if you start learning data analysis today or you start learning video editing today, that you land a high-paying job the next month. No, it's a process and you have to follow it. You just focus on learning the skill and master it. Now to how and where you can learn all of these skills. Now, firstly, when people want to learn new skills, my first advice is that start on YouTube. There are numerous videos you can watch on YouTube if you want to learn any of these nice skills. So many videos are available for free on YouTube to learn. So you don't have to pay money to learn these skills at the beginning. So start with YouTube and see if you have interest in it, and then you can now go on to look for paid courses. Now, another way you can learn these skills is to go on platforms like Udemy. Now, on Udemy, you'll find both free and paid courses to learn any skill at all. You can also start with the free courses on Udemy before you move to the paid courses. Another way you can learn these skills is to apply to a tech school. Now, there are tech schools like Alt School, ALX, and so on. Now, this is not an advertisement for these schools, but I've seen people who attend these tech schools and they get jobs through the school. Though this one can be quite expensive, but it is very rewarding. And there you have it, the 9 high-income skills that can help you significantly increase your earning potential in your 20s. So whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to go into a new field, Developing these skills can set you on the path to financial success and professional growth. Also remember that investing in yourself and continuously learning is one of the best ways to ensure long-term career success. And by the way, if you found this video helpful, make sure you like this video, comment down below and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this episode of Finance for 20s, and if you want to see previous episodes, click on the playlist showing on your screen right here.